Hi friends, today we are going to see how to replace the battery of this AirPods. The model number is Tune 235. So it is completely dead. It is not even getting charged. So first my idea would be to remove this case. Inside this case we can find a battery. So that battery I want to replace first. So I will be removing this case. Friends, I am using WD-40. I am applying near this groove actually. So once it is completely damp, I'll try to open this shell. We should allow this to get damp for few minutes. Then we can open this. So friends, I have opened this. So this is one of the battery actually. This is how the battery looks. Lithium cell. So I'll remove one more. Friends, you can see both are free now. So let me open the shell. So friends, I have opened the casing. So this is the battery cell. Model number and details are mentioned here. So right now we have to check this. There are two screws. I have to remove these screws. Then we can test it. We have to remove this connector so it will not damage this. So friends, I have opened this board. So they have stick this to the board, the cell, using a double side tape, or it looks like a VHP tape. I have to remove this. Then we will try to connect battery plus and minus and check if the board is working fine. So friends, as this battery cell is completely in dead condition, I'll just show you in the multimeter. I guess it is visible now. So friends, it is 0.08 actually. It is completely in dead condition. So my plan is to replace or test it using this cell. This is a 3.6 volt cell. I'll show you the voltage of this cell. Friends, it is around 4.6 volts now, completely charged. So I want to just test it using this cell. So if it is turning on, I'll replace this cell now. Friends, we can see it is turning on now. I have kept it for charging. So it is charging, so we can confirm it is a battery issue. So I am planning to replace the cell now. Friends, I was not able to find similar cell. So this has 3 wires. This is the original one which was available in a JBL headset. So 3 wires are for one, red is for positive, black is for negative, yellow is for temperature sensor. So I found this actually. This is 3.7 volt 600 mAh. So I am planning to change the board to this. So I need a temperature controller actually. So I'll be changing the board from this to this. So friends, I am going to replace these cells now because even these are dead. So I have purchased 2 cells. These are actually lipo packs, small packs. These are square ones. The one which is existing is circle actually round. So I'll be replacing these cells now. So friends, I have connected the cell actually. You can see it is working now. Both the airports, it is working now. So I have to secure the cell. For that I will be using these glue drops. Then I will fix this panel. Thank you friends. Subscribe for more videos.